We lost the war on finance. We lost the war on finance. The bills won. The credit cards laughed. The savings, gone. But here's the thing. You don't start over from scratch. You're starting from experience. You've seen the traps. Felt the sting of impulse buys. Lost your savings or have no savings to fall back on. But this time, you've got a strategy. Budgeting, passive income, and discipline. They thought we were finished, but we're just getting started. Start again, smarter this time. Remember, start budgeting smart today. Protect your credit and save with purpose. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. It helps more than you know. Want to support the channel directly like a Patreon? Visit www.pytown.ca/lifeledger and become part of the community. And if you're feeling the vibe, grab some of our merch here. atown.creatorspring.com. Thanks for watching. Keep your finances strong, and we'll see you next time on Life on a Ledger.